Hi everyone. I'm wondering if I'd like to make a bug with all the nice lists that we have from Miss Sullivan. It's going to help me to keep everything, all the parts that I need to make. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut out all the pieces for all the labels. They don't have to be super neat. Kind of be like sloppy cuts. Let's see. This one says head, thorax, abdomen, legs, wings, eyes, and antenna. All right. I think I'm going to start at the top. We'll start with head. And I have some Play-Doh. I have some bunch of colors. I have some scissors. Scissors are fun to cut with Play-Doh. And let's start with the head. I'm going to tilt the screen so everybody can see all my work. Let's see. Get out. Let's try green. I'm going to roll it in a circle. Splat. Get kind of round. There's his head. And how about we make some eyes? We'll get a different color. Get some orange. I'm going to take two little pieces. We can use our fingers. Roll it, roll it. I'm going to put on two eyes. One, two orange eyes. Eyes are finished. Let's see. How about we finish his head? We'll do antenna. I think these go up top. Get a different color. How about pink? I'm going to use my fingers to roll these out. Lucy's coming. Lucy's curious. She's checking out the bug. I'm going to put them on top. One. Oops, lost an eye. Two. All right, antenna are done. All right, let's do after that. I think under his head is a thorax. I'm going to add a mouth. I know we don't have the, but I think our bug, I don't think bugs can talk, but I think they needed to eat. I'm going to give them a mouth. Good. We'll make them a happy bug. Next, we're going to do thorax. Let's see. How about we do more orange? I have orange ready. It's going to look good. So the thorax is under the head. Thorax. Perfect. Next, I'm going to do legs. And I think bugs have 6 legs. I think it's more green. I'm going to get out 6 little piles of Play-Doh. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, put my green away. Now I'm going to roll them out. I'm going to make the legs, Oops, he lost his eye again. Oh no. 1, needs an eye. His eye fell on the floor. We have 1 leg done. 2. We're going to do 3 plus 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. Legs are half finished. Let's see. We'll do 3 more. This will be number 4. 4. Rolling with my fingers. 5. 6. All right. So I think we have a choice of wings. I might do 2 wings in the back because wings go on the back, and wings are usually really flat. We're going to have a bug with legs and wings. Oops. Sticky. behind his legs. They're behind him. I'll lift up his leg, go behind. Nice. Here, we'll put wings here. Legs are here. Oh, we have one more piece left, the abdomen. Let me just get some pink. Almost finished. Roll it. 2 hands. Roll it. Put it on and push. Splat. There's his abdomen. Our bug is finished. Did you make a bug? I can't wait to see them. Put them on Facebook or send me a picture. Bye.